Hi, I'm Archana and I'm here at Dr. Shobit's clinic. I came here for liposuction surgery. Uh, well, um, Before and after, before my tummy was like this. I used to look like a pregnant lady, and trust me, no matter how many times I've gone into this diet process, kitni bhi workout kar लूँ, kitna bhi diet kar लूँ, it never worked out for so long. For so many years, I tried everything possible that I could do, but there's something called what do you call, hard fat, which doesn't really get out from your tummy until unless you really do something about it. एंड बहुत रिसर्च करने के बाद काफ़ी रिव्यूज़ देखने के बाद आई फाइनली फाउंड दिस क्लिनिक of Dr. Shobit, and I came here for liposuction. I got it done, and trust me, for the very first time, how I feel after this, how the flat tummy looks like. It's really beautiful. Before surgery, like I said, it used to look like this bunch, but like you can see, my tummy is completely flat. And of course, post-operative surgery, somewhere you have to take care of certain things. Everybody has to, and so am I. With a little things that you can take care of with your diet and a little exercise and whatever the staff members suggest, if you continue to follow that, and with a little massage as well, which becomes a little hard, but then over the time you get used to it, and when you see the results, it actually gives you a very good feeling. So now I am so confident in wearing everything that I wanted to, these crop tops and everything. Earlier I used to think 100 times before wearing anything, but now, trust me, it feels very good. And about the staff and the clinic, no doubt, it has been very beautiful. Be it pre-surgery or post-surgery, the staff members have been so cool and so welcome. I always used to come here with my cat, and undoubtedly these staff members have treated me and everybody who come, I see them so beautifully. They have been so welcome and so nice. So I would highly recommend everyone to come here and at least get the consultation, and trust me, on my personal experience, will be your best experience so far. And hats off to Dr. Shobit's clinic.